head of school, staff, fellow students, and friends. I beg of you, keep your glasses filled and up. On behalf of the Lassies of New College, I make a response to a perfect toast from a perfect gentleman for recognizing the excellencies of the Lassies in the academical sphere and beyond. I have met many laddies in my time. My father, my brothers, my husband, my sons, my friends, my teachers. But I never met Robert Burns until February 2018 in Edinburgh. Not sure I was moved by his flattery as I was by his appreciation of my mind and brains. But of the last two, the jury convened by my PhD supervisor is still out. I bet I would have more luck if Robert Burns were my supervisor. Born near Ayr in Scotland on 25th January 1759, Burns became an accomplished and renowned author by publishing his poems known as the Kilmarnock edition in 1786. What luck with just one publication. But Burns did two things right, I think. Not subjecting his writings to academic scrutiny and showering praises on the beauty and minds of the Lassies. The last being the reason Lassies receive glowing toasts year after year. So I bet. Though Burns did not live to see the first female Edinburgh graduate in 1893, he would be proud of New College. To be welcomed at the reception by his namesake, Robert Mackay, to see the array of laddies willingly handing over power to the Lassies without riots or protests, with so many other laddies working hand in hand with the Lassies to create a unique learning environment of equality, equity, and welcome, one that is diverse and inclusive. Confirming a proverb among the Ibibios of South Nigeria, Ubok mom, etud ukpa, that a united community overcomes all difficulties. A community of laddies and lasses engaging in research, thesis, dissertation, essays, publications, presentations, virtual learning, teaming, collaborating, but no zooming. Together, making it work despite all uncertainties, despite the COVID-19 pandemic. So, let us raise our glasses to all the amazing laddies who work with outstanding Lassies at New College and beyond. And on behalf of all the students, to all the teaching laddies who look tenderly at essay scripts, gentle with criticism, and generous with praise. May you live long, safe, and healthy. And may you have the good fortune of Robert Burns, that your publications will bring you fame and money. Cheers to all the laddies of New College, University of Edinburgh. Cheers.